Okay, we're going to take a look at the webcam boxes that need to be installed after the SIM cards get updated and programmed. The two boxes are literally labeled west and east. This has to correlate with the locations on the map. The boxes look slightly different, but they essentially have the same components. It's already plugged in with the power cord, so this goes right into the extension cord that I left on site next to the generators. There should be two green ones, one for each. For the west camera box, you're going to install the Ethernet to the camera right here. So once you do that, you can feed it through this bottom hole right into there, and then plug this right into the generator. For the east box, it's a little bit different. Same concept. You're going to move this rubber edge. You're going to slip the Ethernet socket right there. Secure the rubber edge again, and you're going to plug the Ethernet into PoE 2. Plug into here, the camera. Plug this into the generator.